guys, it's your girl Slay LT, and I am back for another video. And this time we're doing a haul from Ashley Stewart. This is a very small haul. I think I might have gotten like 3 pieces. I don't remember what I bought from them, to be honest with y'all. Ashley Stewart has a very good sale right now. So if you're kind of hesitant about spending a whole bunch of money with Ashley Stewart and you're not sure whether you're gonna like the quality of their clothes, I would advise to go ahead and just go to their clearance sales right now and order a few things. It did come in this bag. I'm gonna put this bag on the floor because it is rather heavy. And we're just gonna go through to see what I got. The first thing, this is an Icon sweatshirt. And the reason I got this Icon sweatshirt is because, one, you see the regular price was it $44? $44. This was on sale for $11. And good thing I bought it in a huge size 18, because I don't know if you guys have seen my other video. But this is the second video that I'm doing today. I did a MAC video earlier. If you haven't, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Turn your notification bells on so you are aware when I do post new videos. Like this comment. Like this comment if you'd like to comment, good, bad, or indifferent. But the reason why I said that is because I spoke a little bit about Ashley Stewart in the last video. For some reason, their sizes are changing. And again, this is a prime example. This does not look like an 18-20. But I wanted this sweatshirt to be super huge because, one, I wanted to be able to wear this like when I go to the gym, or if I'm just going like to, just running to the grocery store or whatever. Right now, it's not hot. It's February 23rd, so we're like right at the cusp of going into the warmer months. I'm here in Atlanta, obviously, so we're at the point where some days are hot, some days are cold. If you guys are familiar with the Atlanta weather, that's how it is during this time of the year. So it's kind of unpredictable. You might leave your house when it's freezing cold and come back, it's extremely hot and the AC is on. So yeah. But I thought this was super cute. It has like the icon on it, and I could just see myself, with my Uggs on, with these, with this sweatshirt, with maybe some tights on. Super cute. Also something like if you're gonna go to the gym and you just want to kind of throw something on over your workout clothes, that'd be perfect for that. The next item I have is this very cute shirt, and this shirt was actually on sale. Let me show you guys the normal price, the regular price. Again, if you have not ever shopped at Ashley Stewart, right now would be the perfect time because they have a huge sale. A lot of the summer, spring, a lot of the winter items are on sale. They're like more than half off. That was $44. I only bought it for $11, so I saved like $30-something for that. The shirt that I'm about to show you, the regular price was $39.50. I bought this shirt for $6. Yes, $6. And I was like, okay, well, this is like a springtime, summertime shirt. And I thought it was super cute. I bought this in a 14-16. And you guys see what I mean about the size. Now, this 14-16, this looked like it could be 18. And I know Ashley Stewart makes their clothes curve girl, approved, but when I tell you, this shirt is huge. I like my tops to be a little fitting. This definitely will not be fitting, especially with me losing weight. I'm probably gonna have to, my next thing that I order for them is gonna have to be sized down to a 12, probably a 12-14, because I am losing weight. I know it doesn't look with this big shirt, but that's gonna be another video. You guys will need to watch me on my weight loss journey. And this is super cute. It says Queen of Soul. I don't know if this was supposed to be Aretha Franklin back in the days, but the shirt is absolutely gorgeous. I like it. And I do have some sneakers that matter of fact, I have some yellow Reeboks I'm going to show you guys. One of these days I'll show you guys my shoe collection. But I think I'm gonna order another pair of those because what happened was last year I took Bay to and I say last year like it was so long ago, but it was last year in like October. So it was only about maybe 3 or 4 months ago. I took Bay, or should I say my fiance? I took Bay to a massage. We did a couples massage, and the day that I took him, I wore those sneakers. I was so upset because the place where we went to go get the massages, it was like in this weird building. But going to the building, it was like a lot of gravel and dirt on the ground. Totally messed my sneakers up. So I wore them. I've worn them after that, but I'm so mad because it has like stains that it seems like it won't come out. So I was thinking about taking them to like a maybe like the cleaners. I don't know if the cleaners does that. Maybe they can clean them to get those stains out. But if not, I said, you know what? I'm gonna because I love those sneakers so much. They're comfortable. They're really cute. I kind of freestyle, and I've worn them with a lot of different outfits that kind of the outfits were like plain, but I kind of threw the outfit together with that yellow in it, so it kind of made the outfit pop and got so many compliments on it. I think that's the type of shoe that I would want two pairs for. Only because, like, say for instance, if I wanted to have one I could just kind of wear around, and then have that second one for like more upscale or more casual events, brunch or whatever. I want to hang out with my girls. I don't want to be walking around with no dirty yellow sneakers. So, but that will go good with this shirt. So now this is the last thing, and y'all gotta excuse that, but the last thing I have to show you guys is this denim jacket. When I tell you guys, I have always wanted a black denim jacket, and the crazy thing was when I went to the site and I saw that they had this jacket, the regular price. Let me show y'all the regular price on here. You're not gonna believe what I paid for this jacket. And I bought this jacket in a 1X. The regular price is $49.50. You guys can see that, so you don't think I'm lying. It was $49.50. Y'all, I bought this jacket for $11. Kid you not. And I was like, what? $11 for a denim jacket and a stretcher? No way. So I'm just going to open it up to see. And you know what? Really doesn't have any stretch to it. It doesn't have stretch to it, but I'm pretty sure I can fit this now. The only problem I think I might have, just like, I don't know, I think my arm, because my arms have gotten so huge. Why, I don't know. I kind of hate my arms right now. But $11, y'all. It can't beat it. This is the type of thing that you will literally have weight goals for. Because even if I'm not able to wear it right now, I know I will be able to wear it when it starts to get cold again. So $11 is not a big sacrifice to make for this. Look, it's just a regular like crop length denim jacket, but I like the fact that it has like the little ruggedness to it. You see, like the little rips and stuff, and it has it. Where else did I see it? Oh, like around the collar, so it looks like it's battered and tattered. I love that. That's pretty much it from this haul, you guys. Like I said, it was a very small haul. Everything is dark, which is cool. But that jacket, I've always wanted a black denim jacket, and I'm super happy that I was able to find that. The crazy thing about that was when I actually saw that jacket, I was gonna order another denim jacket, and I saw that one. The denim jacket, the regular light wash denim jacket, of course, we all have those jackets, and I have like, I can't even tell you how many I have like 4 or 5 of them, but with the denim jackets, they come in so many different shades of denim. I was like, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and get me another shade of the denim jacket. Went to go order it, they were sold out. So I was like, well, what? They still have this up here. Like, what are they selling? I see the denim. there was a white one, so I was like, okay, well, I've always wanted a white denim jacket, so let's go for the white. Didn't have that one in my size. They did have a few left, but they had like sizes. I think it was like a 1820, and it was a 4. It was like a 4X or whatever. I was like, hell no, I'm not gonna spend my money on something that's gonna be that huge. But then they had 2 of these left. It said almost gone, and then I think it had 2. I can't remember exactly. Don't give me the line, but I went and purchased that one. But I went back to Ashley Stewart to check my orders. I like to go and see, see if they have different ones left and see how it's selling. Sold out. And I think I might have checked it like the next day. I don't remember exactly. But I'm glad that I went on and purchased it, because $11 is not a bad deal at all, considering the fact that it was in my size, and I've always wanted a denim jacket, a denim black jacket. So I thought that was super, super, super cool. So that's pretty much it from this haul. I do have a couple of Shein hauls coming. And what I'm going to do is, after my next Shein haul, I'm going to get more into like showing you guys the items I had, pairing things together, showing you guys how I put different pieces together as a style. Because I do consider myself a stylist. I think I have pretty good style. Anytime I go anywhere, everybody's like, oh my God, I like how you put those pieces together. So I'm just going to start like giving you guys kind of tidbits, fashion information. You can kind of go to my pages and see. I'm going to post the link to my webpage as well when I get that up and running, so you guys can kind of get that fashion daily just to see how you can put pieces together. But yeah, that's pretty much it for right now. I'll see you guys in the next video. My next Shein video should be coming within the next few days, so it's going to be posted obviously in a few weeks because of my situation with my laptop, but that's all gravy. If you guys haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, turn the notification bell on so you are notified when I do post new videos. Like this, comment, thumbs up, share with your friends. Good, bad, or indifferent comments. Send me an email if it's something that you would like to see me do a haul on. And that's pretty much all I have for today, guys. I hope you guys are having an awesome day. Always remember to be awesome, do awesome things, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.